Are you a business owner looking to take your business to the next level? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you how Chat GPT can help you grow your business like never before. Segment 1. What is Chat GPT and how does it work? Chat GPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of data to understand and generate human-like text with high accuracy. With the help of AI, Chat GPT can automate various tasks, such as customer service, sales, and marketing, saving you time and effort while providing high-quality service to your customers. Segment 2. Improving customer service. One of the most significant ways Chat GPT can help your business is by improving your customer service. With its advanced language understanding, it can handle customer inquiries and provide personalized responses in real time. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your customers receive fast and accurate answers to their questions. Segment 3. Streamlining sales and marketing. Chat GPT can also help streamline your sales and marketing processes. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, it can help you create custom email templates, social media posts, and even assist with lead generation. With Chat GPT, you can focus on closing deals instead of spending time on manual and repetitive tasks. Segment 4. Cost-effective solution. Another benefit of using Chat GPT for your business is that it's a cost-effective solution. By automating various tasks, you save time and money on hiring additional staff or outsourcing. Plus, with its advanced language capabilities, you can be sure that the work being done is of high quality, providing excellent value for your investment. Chat GPT is a game changer for businesses looking to grow and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're looking to improve customer service, streamline sales and marketing processes, or save time and money, Chat GPT has got you covered. So why wait? Start using Chat GPT today and take your business to the next level. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Chat GPT, please don't hesitate to reach out.